In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set automation email in Email Octopus. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Email Octopus account and you are on the main dashboard. We are going to create a simple automation that sends an email automatically when someone joins a list. This is a great setup for welcome emails, quick onboarding messages, or sending a resource right after sign-up. First, go to the top navigation bar and click Automations. This area is where you manage automated workflows, including what triggers them and what actions happen next. Once you are in Automations, click Create, and then select New Automation. This starts a new automation from scratch, so you can decide exactly what should trigger it and what it should do. Next, click Add Trigger. Triggers are the event that starts the automation. From the trigger options, select Contact Joins List. This means the automation will begin the moment a new subscriber is added to the specific list you choose. Take a moment to confirm you are working with the correct list, since the trigger will only apply to contacts joining that list. After that, click Simple Message. This keeps the workflow straightforward and is ideal for a single email like a welcome note or confirmation message. Keeping it simple also makes it easier to test and troubleshoot later. Now click the plus icon, the small plus sign in the workflow, and choose Send an Email. This adds the email action to your automation, so when the trigger happens, Email Octopus knows to deliver a message automatically. With the email added, click Edit Content to write your message. Here, focus on a clear subject line and a friendly, direct message. If this is a welcome email, include what the subscriber should expect next and how often you will email them. Also, keep the first line strong, because many people will preview only the opening sentence before deciding to open the email. When you are happy with the content, click Finish. Then toggle the automation to active. Activating it is the final step that turns your setup into a live automation. From this point on, new contacts who join the list will trigger the email you created. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.